Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to another Minecraft tutorial. In this video I will show you how you can actually use map and upgrade it and add a lot of stuff to your map. First of all, make sure that you are using the Minecraft launcher or T launcher that I've already made some tutorials about it, and make sure that you are on the latest version because it's the best version right now and it will help you a lot with your map. It will help you make bigger maps, higher quality maps, and you can update them like as you like. Now let's go ahead and open our world like so. I will be using creative mode and the super flat world just for the sake of this tutorial, but it will still work for you on your survivals and multiplayer like SMP worlds. Now let's go ahead and grab some maps from this inventory. So let's get a map, and we will need also this tool over here. Where is a loom? I think, let me check. Yep. And what we will need also is what is this exactly? Like so. It doesn't work. Let me check. What do we need else? Okay, that's it. Let's get here and let's go, for example, in this place, and let's make it look something like that. As you can see, here is the map. By clicking right click, I've made a map about this place. As you can see, we can see the tree, you can see the houses. If you want somewhere far away, it will load other places. Let's change it and let's make it like somewhere in here. There's a new one. So if you open it, you will see nothing because it has nothing around it. If we come somewhere in here, maybe it will load these houses, but they are so far away from it to be loaded. As well, you can see yourself down below, like below this white circle, it is you. So guys, that's how you can actually do your map and use it in Minecraft. After that, you can like grab something like so, and grab what do we call it? I'm gonna search for it. Item frame. I don't know what to find it, so I'm gonna look for it. Item frame. It's like so, and you can put your map on it and it will look something like that, which is very cool. And you can make a whole big map around this wall. Like you can make a wall and make around it a whole big map. So yeah guys, that was today's tutorial. If you enjoyed, please leave a like, and thank you guys for watching.